Look, I think well, my first ever experience with Sunny and Haplast has been nothing but great. I think hopefully in future when we start to have a bit more projects together, I think it's very important that one thing I can feedback is that maybe that because when I spoke to Sunny, once you have the pre-production sample, I need Haplast to take really good high resolution images or even video, because this really helps instead of sending samples from Vietnam to Australia, which costs a lot. So I think with today's digital age, it would be nice that if Haplast have a good graphic or photography team that can take good quality images with white background, like studio images and also video. I think this will be a very added advantage, because today everything we are doing remotely and digitally.
We interest your stuff, your elevation, your support, and of course material. We see good quality material in the video. We like your quality subject. For us, next option for us, good growth. Your growth, we growth.